Hey, good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we see over here is still a bullish setup. What could interest you is a bearish movement, and you might be thinking, hey, the market has already go bearish on the bigger picture. Is not true. This is really important as a traders or aspiring traders. You should know how to read the trend. That's minimum, and you should know whether you are trading with the trend or against the trend. So if you make the first decision wrong, your entire trade plan can really have show you a bad result. You might even lose money or burst account from doing that. Especially I would say that if you're not properly trained, then you do not have a good risk management trading setup. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have based off the 4-hour chart. It is on a bearish trend on the 4-hour as well as 1 hour. So you might be saying, hey, Rain, then so what? Correct? So if you are trading a single time frame, just focus on the time frame you're trading. However, you're pacing up things together, things can get really different, which means on the bigger picture, I can be bullish, and on the lower time frame, I can choose to be a bearish trade. That is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is I base on my daily analysis. I know that overall trend I am bullish buyers, so I will want to wait for a lower time frame that giving me a counter trend trading opportunity and observe carefully on those key levels to decide if I'm going to follow through my trade. It's a bit complex, judging that you might not have attended my course, alright, or any formal proper training. You might not understand that. That's fine. You can rewatch it, or you can scan this QR code. Will bring you to our Discord server, and on top of the welcome page, which is our Traders Cafe, then on top of it you will have this link to our student platform over here, where you can attend a training for free over here. At least it give you a good foundation, and in this foundation you are better than most traders, but not as good as our paid community, that's for sure, correct? Because over the years I've developed, in 2018 I developed a training that can teach people how to trade within a day. Alright, you are able to do your own analysis within a day, and we all know that time is very essential. Alright, every one of us, we have limited time. That's very scarce resources, and if you can learn this within a day, you can think about it, how much time and effort it can save you. If this interests you, well, drop me a DM, then we'll share with you more stuff, and if you're a good fit and stuff like that, because we do not accept everyone as our students. We coach those that have the right mindset and they are action takers. Alright, if you scroll down further, you can even see some of our trading ideas. This is my trading ideas. I'm looking for a shorting opportunity on euro dollar, but you can see on the first target is already 116 pips. That's how we trade, and that gives a 2-1 ratio, which means I just need 40% of the time to be profitable, to be profitable. So that significantly bring down the level of stress as a traders. There's no need for you to be crazily involved, and you want that trade to be profitable and stuff like that. And as if your last meal or your next meal really depends on the running trade, the last running trade. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, so anyway, be sure to follow us on this social media, at least on this Instagram. However, if you are already in Discord, you will get a push notification on all important social media we've shared, and you can check that out. So that is also one big reason why you should be in, so you won't miss it. Because social media, if you're not following us on a regular basis, you might not receive my posting, correct? Make sense? So in the Discord server, it would be a way for you to keep track on the latest posts and stuff like that. I got really cool article I'm going to write. You want to be inside and get informed of this stuff. Alright, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. As you can see, I'm still buyers. I'm still looking for a buying opportunity. These analysis have not changed from the first day I've plotted this buy zone over here. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have based off the 4-hour chart. Alright, the equal distance move, I call it the AB equals CD level. I'm waiting for a retest at this level 133.43 for a buying opportunity. To the 1 hour chart, nothing much. I've just placed another alert to make sure that I will miss this trade. Sometimes it will not touch this level. Other ways you can do is to watch closely for my confirmation sign signal that I've posted in our trading videos, correct? For entry opportunity. Alright, that's one way you can do it. But luckily for you or for us, it's a 1 hour chart, which means you can check it every hour after, correct? It's not like 15 minutes you have checked like 4 times within an hour, or 5 minutes you have to basically stick on your phone, correct? So that's a cool stuff, because you have to remember that end of the day, most of us, we are attracted to trading because of 2 things: income, all right, and the second thing is the freedom of time. But what happens to most traders is they would end up sticking their butt on the seat and dare not to move because they do not have the right way, the right formula, the right framework to engage a trade. Right? So if you want to be a better trader, a more confident trader, or a stress-free trader, or lower level of stress kind of trader, drop me a note. We'll see if you're a good fit before we accept you. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward very soon to hear from you. Till then, remember always, plan your trade and trade plan.